Businesses are now requiring their employees to be vaccinated in order to keep their jobs. Here to answer your questions is Dr. Paul Sachs, director of the Infectious Disease Clinic at Brigham and Women's Hospital. Thanks so much for being here.
Thanks for inviting me.
So companies with 100 employees or more could soon face a federal order that requires vaccinations or weekly testing for staff. But a lot of offices are not waiting. So far, the list of companies with mandates includes Amtrak, Delta Airlines, MGM Resorts, TJX, and our parent company, the Hearst Corporation. Do you agree with President Biden that this type of policy change will help bring the pandemic to an end for good?
I think it's a really good move. And the reason I think it's a good move is because some people who have not been vaccinated aren't really anti-vaccine. They just really haven't gotten around to it, or they have some hesitancy. And something like this will actually lead people to get vaccinated. We have vaccine mandates already widely used in schools, for the workplace, also in certain hospitals. I think it makes a lot of sense in workplaces, definitely.
So as more people do return to their office, perhaps in the next few weeks, what percentage of coworkers would need to be vaccinated before someone could feel safe, say, attending a meeting, eating with others in the cafeteria, those types of things?
Well, there's no precise number, no precise percentage, but we do know that the higher the percentage vaccinated, the lower the risk for everybody. Because remember, the vaccines not only prevent people from getting sick, but they also do reduce people getting infected to begin with, and that makes them less likely to transmit the virus. I will say there are some exceptions. People who are immune compromised, they might want to continue to wear masks even in the workplace. Also, people who potentially can't take the vaccines for one reason or the other, but most people should be taking the vaccines and taking advantage of that protection.
So if an employee tests positive for COVID at one of these companies where everybody must be vaccinated, do you think that coworkers who are identified as close contacts should stay at home?
I think it would be very reasonable for people who've been vaccinated to, if they have no symptoms, to undergo testing shortly after the exposure, and then in the absence of symptoms, continue to work. Now, this will, of course, depend on the policies of the individual places. But for example, healthcare workers are allowed to continue working after exposure, provided that they get tested on a regular basis.
Okay, thanks so much, Dr. Paul Sachs from the Brigham. Thanks for being with us.
Thanks for inviting me.